Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to pin applications on Android smartphone. So let's check it out. Google or Android might update the settings UI in the future. If the options look different when you are watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Have you ever wanted to share your phone with someone, like to make phone calls or even to your kids to watch YouTube? Then there is a high chance they might end up opening other applications too, but there is a way to prevent that. To do this, we are going to pin the applications. For that, we have to take our Android smartphone and go to settings. We are using OnePlus smartphone for doing this right now, but the steps might differ a bit for other brand smartphones. But we can always use the search option in the settings to search for relevant keywords and get this option. So we have to open settings and go to security and privacy, and then again go to more security and privacy. Here we will have this app pinning option. Select that and we have to turn this on. We have to enable lock screen after unpinning as well. We will explain this later in this video. Now to pin an application, we have to open the application first. For example, if I want to pin the YouTube app, I have to open the app first. Then I have to select this overview or hamburger menu, this one, and then go to this three-dot menu at the top. Sometimes we can also select the logo and get this option, but right now we have to go to this three-dot menu, and here we will have the pin option. Select that. That's all. The app is pinned. We have to keep in mind these 3 points. If I pin an application named A, through that app, sometimes we can open other apps like B, C, D, etc. That is inevitable. But apart from that, this is secure enough to prevent opening other applications manually. So now I cannot use any other application apart from YouTube. This will be really handy when we have kids, or if you want to give your phone to someone to make a phone call, then you can pin the phone app alone and give it to them. To unpin this app, we have to press these two icons, this back icon and this overview icon. We have to press them and hold for a while like this overview and back. That's all. But we have to enter our phone lock screen password again to access our phone, which is good because anyone can unpin the application, but without the lock screen password, they cannot do anything else. These are the steps to pin applications on Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.